Is your Maruti Suzuki touchscreen not working? An unresponsive screen can usually be fixed with simple troubleshooting. First, try a soft reset by holding the power button for 10 seconds. This clears temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, calibrate the screen via the vehicle's settings menu. Improper calibration is a common cause. For persistent issues, ensure the software is up to date. Maruti Suzuki releases over-the-air OTA updates for models like Swift and Baleno to address software bugs. Remember to keep the screen clean and avoid extreme temperatures, which can affect responsiveness. If problems continue, a hard reset, factory reset, might be necessary, but consult your owner's manual for the PIN to avoid data loss. If basic troubleshooting fails, check for potential app conflicts, especially if using Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Regular software updates are crucial to prevent issues. Experts recommend updating firmware to extend touchscreen lifespan. If the screen froze during navigation, check for recalls. In April 2025, a recall addressed faulty touchscreens in the Alto K10 with a free firmware update. Remember, recalibrating the screen while driving is unsafe. For complex cases, professional calibration by certified technicians is advised. According to experts at RI, 40% of failures stem from improper user handling, so diagnostics are important. You can use Maruti's official app for self-diagnostics before visiting service centers.